today's video is extra special because apart from me, I have two people from the Work team, Disha as well as Trisha, who work on different things with regards to the content and the admin, and there's a lot to do in both those departments. Today what we basically decided to do was share our review of the La Roche-Posay Effaclar range with you. All three of us have different skin types. Trisha, you want to explain your skin type?
Yeah, so I have really oily skin with certain dry patches.
And Disha?
I have very normal skin. It's not very oily, it's not very dry. It's good.
And my skin is totally different from both of theirs. My skin is like super dry on most days, and maybe on some days it can be a little bit normal. But the reason all three of us are doing this review is because we wanted to try how these products would look on all our different skin types. And I think over the last 3 to 4 weeks that we've been trying these products, the result has definitely been different for all of us, but mostly great. So let's sort of get into the details and tell you what exactly it's been like. Let's start with Trisha.
Yeah, sure.
Super.
So my favorite product was the Effaclar Duo Corrector. So I have a lot of redness on my skin, and with this product I used it in the day and in the night, and it really helped in getting rid of that and giving me like a really even complexion. So the second product I used was the Effaclar Toner. So this one really helped after taking off all your makeup, leaving you with a really fresh feeling at the end of the day. And the third one was the foaming gel, which is really meant for oily skin, and this really helped in getting rid of all the excessive oil and pollution at the end of the day.
So I think that was pretty perfect for you because it was
it really worked out well. Yeah,
and you also have redness, you said.
a lot of redness.
So which one was your favorite from all the three?
The favorite was the corrector.
Okay, super. So all those of you who have oily skin know which product to definitely go get your hands on. I'm going to give these products to Disha, so you can talk about your experience.
I enjoyed the entire routine. It was really nice. The foaming gel is really nice. It just takes away all the grime and the gunk away from your face. It leaves your skin like squeaky clean, and my skin is not oily, it's not dry as I said earlier, so it felt very nice after washing it even. I love the toner. It was my favorite product out of all three of them. Like if you take a cotton pad and you clean your face and your neck and even behind your ears and all, you'll actually see like a bit of growth coming, which is quite satisfying. It also has salicylic acid, so it's great for acne prone skin. My sister used it and she loved it as well. Also the corrector is great. It even if you don't have like specific imperfections on your skin, it just brightens your skin, and day by day your skin just starts looking a little more radiant, and that means less makeup, so it's really good. I enjoyed using this one.
Okay, so I'm glad that this has worked for both of you. Well, in my experience, I'm going to go in like a random order over here. The toner was really good. I felt like even on days where I wasn't wearing any makeup, using this before I went to sleep really helped, simply because I felt like because of the pollution that we have in the air right now, and it's so bad, a lot of dirt did get clean, that's for sure. But apart from that, I also felt like on certain days where I'd sweat a little bit, or even on certain days where my skin's gone from being dry to like normal, it sort of did get my skin back to being a little more dry, but at the same time it genuinely like cleaned my pores to a whole new extent. So that was definitely my favorite thing about it. Also, it's not very sticky and it smells delicious. I feel like all the three products like smell amazing. So that was definitely a huge bonus point. So yeah, that's about the toner. For me, the Effaclar Corrector did really well because I felt like it definitely, like Disha said, it brightens your skin. But apart from that, I also found that it works really well for smoothing skin, and if you have like really bad skin in general, like whether you have redness or if you have acne, or like me, if you have excessively dry skin, something like this would work really well to use before your primer to sort of start your makeup routine with. So that's one thing that you might want to consider if you have dry skin like mine. Okay, so the last product I have in my hand is the Effaclar face wash, which is sort of like a foaming product for oily and sensitive skin. Now my skin is not oily or sensitive, but I still wanted to try the product out. It may or may not be for very dry skin like mine, but I do feel like Trisha said,
it really works for like oily skin.
So in case you have like oily to like normal skin, this might be more for you than me, since I have really dry skin. Okay, so now you guys know how all three of us sort of found the experience. Just to kind of sum it all up for you, I think what all three of us should do is give this total set of products, all the three products that we tried, a rating from the scale of 1 to 10, and sum it up in one line about what you thought of the entire Effaclar experience.
Okay, so I would give this range about 8.5 on 10 because it works brilliantly if you have like red, oily or acne prone skin.
I would give it a solid 9 on 10 because I think it did the job for me. And as Trisha said, if you have acne prone oily skin, the ingredients make it great for your skin, so you should definitely try it.
Well, so for me, 2 out of the 3 products worked really well, so I think I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I think that if you have dry skin, you must absolutely get your hands on these 2 products, which is the corrector and the toner. I think that in general, as an experience, I thought it was great to try a product that's so different from all the other products that exist in the market. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of links down in the description section below where you can go directly to buy the products in case any of you want to go and try it out. If you guys have any specific comments, let me know as well. And don't forget to mention your skin type while asking me those questions so Disha, Trisha or I can address them basis your skin type. Yeah?
Yeah.
Super. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.